Very little time, very little ingredients, and a super soft halwa is ready. Let's see how to do it. Here I am making this halwa with broken wheat. Now you have to soak this in 1 cup water for 3 to 4 hours, or you can keep it overnight. Now transfer this with water into a blender and blend it nicely. You can see after blending it has turned into a whitish color. Now strain it. Now add 2 more cups of water into this blended mixture. So total we have added 3 cups of water, 1 cup for soaking and 2 cups after blending. You need to strain this mixture for 3 to 4 times. Now pour the strained mixture into a pan. Keep the heat on low to medium and start stirring. And within few minutes it will start getting thicker. Now at this stage you can add the sweetener for the halwa. Here I am using melted jaggery. Now again stir it continuously. This wheat halwa takes very less time when you compare it to the normal halwas. And as this is wheat and jaggery, you can call it a healthy halwa. Now at this stage, you can start adding ghee. Add 1 tablespoon at a time and mix it continuously. After adding 1 spoon, let it absorb completely into the wheat and then add the next. Likewise, add the entire ghee or until the mixture is not sticking to the pan. Now add some cardamom powder and mix it. Also add some chopped nuts. Here I've used only cashew nuts. Now our halwa mix is ready. Now transfer this into a greased pan. Level it using a spatula and give it a rest for around 1 to 2 hours. And then flip this onto a plate. Just cut it onto desired shapes and our soft, tasty, healthy halwa is ready. Look at the texture, it is so soft. This is one of those sweets which actually melts in your mouth. So definitely try it out and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.